Virgin bumper ang takbo ng mga sasakyan kahapon sa EDSA. Bakit kaya? Nang mapadako kami sa MOA kung saan hindi mahulog ang karayom ang dami ng mga tao. Something big and spectacular was cooking na talaga namang nakaka-OMG. Oo, matindi ah. Grabe! First back-to-back concert ni na David Cook at David Archuleta sa Pinas nag-cause ng traffic. Pinoys are a little knocked over the two Davids when season 7 of American Idol ended. Kaya naman dinagsa nila ang pagsasama ng dalawa sa center stage. May galing pang probinsya. I love David Cook! We came all the way from Cebu to watch him! We even made the shirt. May hindi nakapasok pero fight lang ng fight. May speechless at may literal ang pagiging fan. Literal!
Sobra kaming nagpapasalamat. Lahat ng pagod and lahat ng magagandang naiisip namin, ideas to make it work. Nandito na siya. I'm very, very thankful. I'm very happy. We're actually gonna bring the house down.
And the Davids did bring the house down. Unang sumalang si Little David. He made the crowd fall in love with his rendition.
He's full of energy. He's so great. Ang ganda ng boses niya.
So hot. After a magnificent fireworks display, nakipag-rock-rock naman ang fans kay David Cook. The concert was also graced by couple stars na super fans ng dalawang international singers.
David Archuleta is so hot and he rocks. I love the song. Okay siya. You can see the difference na David Archuleta is more of the pang-ballad. And then David Cook is more of the rocker. Maganda talaga yung quality ng voice ni David Archuleta. Parang naman, super rocker naman si David Cook. So, it's a good mix. And it was really enjoyable. Kaya kasi di naman po namin ina-expect na makakasama po namin si David Archuleta.
Ako po sobrang happy dahil po I can't believe na yung idol ko po na dati parang sa YouTube ko na nakikita sa picture, parang nakadungod ko na.
Galing, sobrang galing. Pareho sila eh. Parehong magaling. Sa style, David Cook ako. Kasi astig si Cook eh.
In the end, it didn't matter kung sino sa dalawang David ang mas nag-deliver. Ang reaksyon ng mga spectators sa buong concert ay patunay na sila'y forever magiging idol sa puso ng mga Pinoy.